So I got the cinnamon French toast, perfect size for one. Shit. Anyway, so yeah, by Duncan Hines. It's this thing. I haven't done this in a while. I don't think I've done this one either. So we're just gonna see what happens. Why do they make boxes so hard to open? Okay. And how... like completely forgotten how to make these. Instructions. Empty package contents. Okay. So then add 3 tablespoons of water or milk. Water is now all on my hands. So I got the water in the bowl. Cup, whatever this is called. And then it says add 3 tablespoons of water, stir until batter is smooth. It smells like butterscotch. Okay, I think that's pretty smooth. So now it says to microwave on high for 1 minute and 10 seconds. Cooking time and blah blah blah. Microwave. Stop it. Okay. Microwave. 110. Yeah, there. Start. Okay. We're gonna let it microwave. Okay. So it's gonna stop. Bam! Okay. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, go. Ow! Hot. It's freaking hot. Like. Ah! Okay, it's really, really hot. I'm gonna let it just let it cool for a little bit. I don't know. The part that was on my finger didn't taste very cinnamony, French toasty. I wonder if it's still hot. It's still hot. I'm gonna eat it now. Okay, we're not gonna poke it anymore because it's really, really hot. Maybe we cooked it for too long. I just had to cook it for how long it said to cook it. Cool for 2 minutes before enjoying. Just gonna wait 2 minutes. Oh, freaking burnt my finger. Okay, so I'm gonna let that cool for a little bit and come back. Okay, I don't feel like waiting anymore. I want to eat my food now. Okay. I don't know, this one doesn't taste very cinnamony or French toasty. I don't think it tastes anything. What's it supposed to taste like? Cinnamon French toast? I don't think it tastes like that at all. Okay. It's like, that's hot. Tastes like butterscotch to me. I don't know. I don't know. Now I know why I like to buy those other things, because they come with the frosting. I don't know. It might taste better if it had some kind of frosting or something. But yeah. So, that's what this was. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.